Clear away.
What the fuck you mean clear away? Where am I putting this shit?
I don't know.
Alright, Eej, what are we installing today?
A bunch of fuck shit.
Bitch.
Church is helping? Church is helping filming?
Trying.
We gotta take out the headlights?
It's been a while since I worked on a Ford.
Why do we gotta take out the headlights?
Did you come do it again? What do you guys do?
I did it with the other finger on that hand.
Oh, left side, right side? Bunch of whores.
Bunch of dumb whores.
Bunch of dumb whores. Belly? Is that an EJ Belly?
I don't know.
Alright, what's the update? What are we doing out here? Did we not get this off yet? The viewers don't even know what the fuck we're installing yet. This. We're installing this. What sub did you get?
I'm on my union break.
Is this thing not off yet? Did the bumper come off?
No.
Nice. Shit looks like a polygon, dog. Starting to look like a fucking body shop in this bitch. How's your filming going?
Hold on. I don't think it's not going too bad.
Oh, what do you got there? Bro, what do you got there?
I got an intercooler. It cools the air that goes into the engine and go blah, 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 blah.
That's Manny. So is that the new intercooler? Nice. You excited?
It's like me to you.
I was gonna say that's big.
What does that mean? You talking about penises?
I don't know. That's for viewers to decide.
How come this thing's not in yet?
Shut up. Leave them alone. Why are you...
It's running an AC on this above it.
Manny, what are you saying? What are you doing?
Shut up.
I think he's just being a fat cunt.
We can't say that, bro. We're in the United States.
I mean, we could pretend we're in Australia, so
Australian, mate.
so we can say it was like a term of endearment.
You
You know what I
fucking cunt.
That's British.
Yo, fix your driveway, dog. You see this shit?
What the fuck happened?
Just look how fucking much.
You ain't getting that shit anytime soon. What about the magnet? Use the fucking magnet. I don't know. Don't we have a magnet? I think it looks good. You like it? All right. Shoulder shrug. Should have stopped filming hours ago.
Take over. I have not yet done it yet.
Yeah, the man's so dedicated to fucking blue, he fucking customized his port there. Did you say head? couldn't even.
That mailbox.
I couldn't even fucking keep up when you whipped by. All right, so now imagine carbon fiber.
I'm broke.
Affirm that shit. All right, and what are we doing?
Burping and farting.
Nice. What's the
Like
point
Church's dick.
Nice. How did he get that off? What's the point of the short throw? The short shift? The fuck
Pull
you
it up.
kids call it?
You gotta take this one. Isn't that what he's doing?
You gotta fucking like give it the old twisty motion. That's usually how I get them.
Where's the connector? In here. You said the light, so I just went to the back of the light and just unplugged shit.
What's he got down there? Quarters? Pennies?
It's about actual size.
Oh. I'm more of like the little itty bitty bit on the top. Yep, that's me.
Nice.
That's me.
Just about a pinky finger.
If I shave, I get a little bit more.
just
There you
much.
go. Yep.
Bro. There's a bunch of dudes standing around. Anybody fucking working out here? 12. I'm gonna be honest with you, I've never been at Home Depot. I used to get here. Grandpa can be here at 5 a.m. Yeah, I know.
Fucking Milwaukee though. Is it working? So we'll see the new Johnny. Is that corn on the cob?
Yep.
Nice.
I'm trying to figure out how to get all this stuff off.
See, he gets that shit off easy.
Oh man.
Whole bunch of fucking hubbub, right?
Fucking Subaru.
Hubbub.
Wait, I wouldn't record this. Go on the other side, dog. I have no idea what I'm doing.
That's half the fun.
I need light.
Well, EJ's fucking sitting over here TikToking without the light.
Well, you're the one that didn't charge the fucking battery, bitch.
I sure did charge it.
Where the fuck is it then?
It's charging now.
It doesn't feel as sloppy as it just was. I won't go in the third though. Oh. Okay.
I just want to make sure it's.
Where's the reverse lockout? Way too tall now. Okay. So push it down into there, and then I'll stick the screwdriver through it.
Wait, let me 1 second. Oh, we gotta get so far down.
All right, so why do we gotta finish this tomorrow?
I don't feel like jacking it up tonight.
Did we finally do it, Bob?
We finally did it. Or Roger finally did it.
Finally did it. It's not the next day. It's a couple days later. But she's in. Roger, would you ever do it again?
I'm probably gonna have to do it again.